Welcome back. This video is dedicated for one of the biggest remedies, right? I suggest to a lot of my clients, it's not generic, it's not specific, it's on a case-by-case basis, but one of the biggest remedies I also practice, right? Vishnu Sahasranam, right? Why we say Vishnu Sahasranam, I'll be explaining in this video. Keep subscribing to my channel for all the latest updates, informations. Learn astrology and Vaastu. I'm also starting these courses if you want to learn and make it as a profession, right, as a business, and help the mankind and the humanity by taking whatever the services as per your wish, right? So and if you need personal consultation for your near and dear ones, family, friends, and anybody who are in trouble or crisis, you can reach out to me in the description links and comments below. These are paid services. One time, make 2023 the best ever year of your life, right? So I was talking on the Vishnu Sahasranam, right?